ETRONIK Weekender Wonder, your ultimate travel sidekick. Revolutionary 4-piece travel companion. Unleash the power of organized travel with the ETRONIK Weekender Overnight Bag. This upgraded 4-piece set includes a clothing storage bag, toiletry bag, and 2 portable shoe bags. The cherry on top? A personalized luggage tag for stress-free baggage claim. Elevate your travel experience with a set designed to revolutionize your packing game. Luxurious space for Wanderlust Souls. Embark on your adventures with a large travel bag for women that redefines spacious elegance. Multiple pockets and compartments effortlessly accommodate 3 to 5 days of essentials. From clothes to laptops, the back pocket offers easy access to your smartphone, IDs, or passport. With a built-in USB charging port, stay charged on the go. Upgrade your Wanderlust style and embrace the freedom to explore. Dry-wet separation and shoe sanctuary. Bid farewell to soggy surprises with the inside dry-wet separation bag. Perfect for separating wet clothes or towels. The shoe compartment at the bottom keeps your kicks apart and fresh. This gym duffel bag is not just for workouts, it doubles as a stylish hospital bag. Experience the epitome of organization, ensuring your journey is as seamless as the destination. Airplane approved and beyond. Meet the demands of modern travel with a carry-on bag that defies limits. The ETRONIK duffel bag, with dimensions 22 by 12 by 9 inches, complies with international carry-on requirements. Use it as a carry-on in-flight or effortlessly secure it on your rollaway luggage. Versatile and chic, it's your go-to for planes, trains, and beyond. Elevate your style with ETRONIK, where functionality meets elegance.